Uncle Mark, welcome back to the channel. You're driving an F150, a newer one. If it has the same radio that I have, and you for some reason unhooked your battery, how do you get your preset, all your stations back, or the time, the correct time? It's real easy. It'll just take us a couple minutes here. Enjoy. So the first thing you need to do is just turn it on. Just so the radio turns on. Don't need to start it. So these are simple. With the key on, just press clock. And then you've got your options here. Now you have to go down to the controls below, which are down there. Can we do this all together? This will be higher number or lower number. This will move it over to the minutes. So let's press that. Going till it's p.m. so we can actually go backwards. It'll be quicker to go backwards to what time is it here now? Okay, looks like we're the afternoon. About 3:27. There we go. So just move it over with this button right here. I'll move you over to minutes, and we're gonna go, I think we're 3:23 to 3. And you could either just hit OK, and we have 3:23 there. And then just shut it off and you're done. Well, that's going to do it for our video. Maybe, maybe you've changed the battery or something, unhooked something, and that's why your radio decided to forget what time it was and what stations you like. Maybe you just have a battery problem too. You can subscribe down here if you like. There'll be more of them. I'll put a link up in the description here too as to different things that you can find. Check out my playlists too. There should be playlists on the F150. There should be playlists on other vehicles. There's also playlists like on maybe, I guess we'll start a new one now, battery maintenance and other things like that, which can work with a lot of different types of vehicles. Until next time, enjoy you watching me trying to save myself a couple bucks. No sense in me going to the garage and paying $100 to get them to do something like this when we can do it at home with a few tools that you'll use again next time. Take care for now. Uncle Mark saying goodbye. Don't forget to check out my playlists. See you later.
Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
And you could either just hit OK, and we have 3:23 there. This is probably no.